cooling roll is a roll device that is used in industrial production and is filled with cool water. It is commonly used to quickly cool down high-temperature substances and maintain them within the appropriate temperature range to meet production requirements. For example, when rolling film or adhesive tape, material shrinkage caused by cooling can lead to deformation during production, so cooling rolls are used to reduce material deformation by cooling the material before it is rolled into a finished product. One structure of a cooling roll. A cooling roll typically consists of a roll body, bearings, and a cooling system, among other components. The roll body is usually made of high-quality metal material, which has good thermal conductivity and mechanical strength to withstand the impact and pressure of high-temperature substances. The bearings support the rotational movement of the roll body and ensure the smooth operation of the roll. The cooling system is a key component of the cooling roll, which dissipates thermal energy by conduction or convection. Working principle of a cooling roll. The working principle of a cooling roll is based on the thermal conduction and convection principles. When a high-temperature substance passes through the roll body, heat is quickly conducted to the surface of the roll body. Simultaneously, the cooling medium, e.g., water or air in the cooling system contacts the surface of the roll body and dissipates the heat through convection. As a result, the temperature of the roll body gradually decreases, achieving the cooling purpose of the substance. Applications of cooling rolls. Cooling rolls are widely used in industries such as steel, non-ferrous metals, plastics, and rubber during production processes. Steel industry. In the production process, cooling rolls are used to cool the high-temperature flue gas generated by steel-making furnaces. Plastic industry. In the production process, cooling rolls are primarily used to cool the shaping of thermoplastic plastics. Rubber industry. In the production process, cooling rolls are mainly used to cool the shaping of rubber. Conclusion. Cooling rolls rapidly cool down high-temperature substances and maintain them within the appropriate temperature range through thermal conduction and convection. They play important roles in the production processes of industries such as steel, plastics, and rubber. With the continuous development of industrial technology, the structure and working principles of cooling rolls are constantly being optimized to meet production demands. It is believed that over time, cooling rolls will play an even more significant role in industrial production. Thank you for watching.